Hey friends, this is Atif Opier and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. On a daily time frame chart, recently Moonriver has broken down this down channel. You can see that at the same time it was also moving inside this symmetrical triangle as well. And a few days ago we broke it down, and after that it was testing the support of this down channel. You can see at the same time it was also moving inside this channel, and we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and recently we have broken down the support of this channel. And by the way, the target for this breakdown from this symmetrical triangle that I've been showing you in my previous videos was here. That was approximately at $12.91. And you can see that the price has dropped more than that target to the downside. It dropped up to $10. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern. And in fact, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern when it was moving at this support of $3.70. And in those days, I've been telling you that we have found a very strong support here, and the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge. Therefore, soon the price can break out the wedge, and the target for the breakout that I was telling you was here between $22 to $25 at the top of the wedge. And you can see that the price rallied beyond that target, and this was almost 1,408% pump, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $45. That was previously working as a support here back in the month of March 2022. And now here it flipped into a very strong resistance, and we got rejected by this resistance in the month of December 2023. And after the rejection, we have broken down this support of $27.15. And now recently we have broken down this support of $20, and now we have broken down another support of $13.15 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here for several weeks a month, and now recently the price is bounced from this long-term support of $10. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Synapse, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 1st of March, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And a few days ago, you can see that we broke down this triangle. This one, that was the symmetrical triangle. And the same resistance of the symmetrical triangle was also working as a resistance of another down channel as well. So you can see that at the same time, it was moving inside the symmetrical triangle and inside this down channel. Therefore, after breaking down this support of the triangle here, we had a bounce from this down trend line support of the channel, re-entered the same triangle. Again, we broke down the triangle, bounced from the support of the channel, tried to re-enter the same triangle, but could not re-enter the same triangle, got rejected by the previous support of the triangle that was now working as a resistance. And we had another bounce from the support of the channel, but after the recent sell-off, the price line has broken down the support of the channel. And the target for the breakdown from this triangle that I've been showing you in my almost every video was here. That was approximately at $12 and 32 cents, and you can see that the price can drop more than that. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakdown from this down channel as well, and that target was here at $11.03, and you can see that the price then dropped down up to $10. And at $10, by the way, we have a quite long-term support. If we take a look at this 7 days time frame chart now, I moved to the 7 days time frame chart, and this was the daily time frame. And now we are on the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that we have a lot of support here at $10 that has been previously breaking as a resistance for several weeks a month, and before that here back in the month of June 2020, from the month of June 2022 up till the month of October 2022, it has been breaking as a very, very strong support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance. And now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that nicely the price and is bounced from the support of $10, and now it is trying to break out the next resistance of $13.15. And after breaking out this resistance of $13.15, the next imminent move can be possible up to the next resistance of $20 that has been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and now for the past several weeks it was breaking as a support. And after that, our next resistance will be here at $27.15. If we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that once again stochastic is entering the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we had a very, very nice reversal, and the price line broke out the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern and rallied very well. And before that, when it was entered the oversold zone here, in fact here, then we had another nice reversal, but got rejected by the resistance of this wedge, and again entered the oversold zone here. At this time, we had a short pump, but after that, we had a very, very massive pump, and the price line once again got rejected by the resistance of the wedge. Then we had a big drop, and after entering the oversold zone here, we once again had a nice pump, but the price line got rejected by the resistance of this wedge here in the month of June 2023. And then again, it was entered the oversold zone, and finally we broke out the resistance of this wedge. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on the next bull cross between this blue line and the orange line. Once this blue line will cross up the orange line on the 7 days time frame chart by the stochastic oscillator, that will be a signal for the stability of the price line, and then we can expect another reversal to the upside or correction move to the upside, and it may try to break out the next resistance levels. However, this $45 will be the key resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. We will need to break out this resistance to continue this rally that was begun here in the month of November 2023 after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.